over now. I can't go back to living through your eyes. Too many nights. And if you don't know by now, I can't go back to being someone else. Not anymore. I never had a chance to do things